Welcome to Technosage YouTube channel. So today we are having the news regarding the Thor PSU by ROG, in which it has been said I had discussed like the things that it won't support like it should support like 600 watts of power, but today we are having the news from video cards stating that the Thor PSU doesn't have an internal ground, as EgoSlab stated that for 600 watts you need an internal ground and a ground for delivering that much power. And today it's like this PS1 supports 600 watts, but it will be only supported till 450 watts. Moving on, AMD is working on 6950XT, which comes over 2.5 GHz, which is a nice 250% boost over 1600XT, which is like based on 7 nanometer as the same, but it is on the more refined node, so it might get that much high. But we still don't know about the thermals. We will see about it. And it is being tweeted by Green155, so it seems legit. We will just have to wait and see how it turns out. Maybe it's not. It's similar to the 600 reboot, but I don't know for sure. And it is set for mid-April. Moving on, we have some renders for the Intel Alchemist GPU in black. These are not in silver, which has been leaked previously, but now this is in black and with all the without the backplate. But you can see here, we can see a pretty good idea that it is similar to the renders, and it has 8-pin dual 8-pin power supply, 8 and 6-pin power supply, and 4 video outlets for to connect 4 display monitors. So Intel is back. We just need to hope that this won't be delayed. But we know that it has been delayed to like Q2. It has been said that Intel allows GPU to feature Display 2.0 support, which is a great way in its own way. Yeah, moving on, NVIDIA Hopper G100 GPU type is rumored to have 140 billion transistors, which is a pretty big. Which is like two times more, no, but it is based on like MCM architecture, so it doesn't make big difference. Like you can have multiple transistors on the same die, but it is based on 5 nanometers. So yeah, it has over 140 billion 14 billion 140 billion transistors. So these are pretty big. Moving on, the next generation of Intel Arc GPU Ponte is based on MCM architecture, and today we are having the news, not news, but the report of a patent by Intel itself, in which they discuss about how the rendering will work on these MCM GPUs, like how frames will be supported in this MCM architecture. And it is similar to the AMD's implementation of Infinity Fabric, like in which the multiple cores communicate through a fast interconnect of MCM architecture of stuff. It is mostly based on rendering one pixel at one single time, but we don't know how well it will go. But since it has been patented, it might be on its way. Like it has been mentioned over here that it can access 3D context in order to address scalability. So, and plurality of graphic processors, so they are working on more than 4 graphics model, I think. As you can see on the screen here, this is the block diagram they had drawn, in which each and every core of the game of the graphics processing unit does one work and simultaneously process a pixel on the screen, and then it merge it into one single pixel on the screen. So there's like the rendering time will be reduced by mostly by more time. It will require less time to render a specific frame. So that's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Comment your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you soon. Peace out.